Hello my sugar babe, I'm so excited you are back on my channel and I'm Carolina here. We're gonna review something which I ordered, and this is the Chanel Le Beige new and improved Soleil Tan Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. How this works on my skin, what are my thoughts, and what points I will give to this product. Sugar babe, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you can do so now down below. Put thumbs up for this video and also tick the bell button so you will be part of my sugar babe gang. All the products are coming in this tote bag, and no, I haven't tried the previous Soleil Tan. Now it's called Le Beige. So luxurious, don't you agree? It feels luxury. That's what you're paying for. All the range has similar Le Beige scent to it, but I do like that it's more glowier, because glowy finish is something my dreams are made of. Glowy as a bronzer. The Universal Soleil Tan was more matte finish. Let's get started. A lot of talk about hydrogenated coconut oil in this product. I have been using coconut oil for years on my skin. Throw my finger inside. Really nice bronzy shade. Most of the makeup products, they look more intense in a pan than when you apply them. Product is formulated for face. They know what they're doing. I feel quite safe to use this. Picks up on the brush really nicely. I don't have full face of makeup. Tiny bit concealer underneath the eyes. Of course lashes and tiny bit brow. You can also use as your base product to even out your skin tone, fake tan like I do. I love sun-kissed look and I like to be bronzy, but I don't like harsh contour. Number 3 method is like kind of like tickling your face. On this side I use dome brush and just focusing on the hairline, the highest points, the cheek, underneath the jawline. Also I like to apply bronzers on my eyelids. Sigma brush forward, follow the crease line. So the color, I was kind of skeptical and slightly scared about the color, but I have to say the color is 10 out of 10 for me. I really like that it's not more muddier color. The previous one was just only Universal one Soleil Tan. Maybe they will bring up more colors, but this is classic Chanel product. I really like the scent of it, the finish of it, value of the money. 40 pounds in Selfridges. If you do online orders, you get tote bag with it. After opening, it's gonna last you 12 months. 40 pounds in 12 months time. And previous product used to last 18 months, so you can see how much chemicals and parabens they used to have inside. If you're gonna use this just on your skin without any heavy makeup, this is beautiful product to use every day on your cheeks. You can use on your body and also can use on your eyelids as I did. Worth the price for me, so I give 10 out of 10. Next category is the packaging. Elite luxury product. It looks like, it feels like luxury. It's so easy to use your big face brush in the product, swirl it around, use it on your face. 30 grams of product in the jar, in a better version and better product inside. So for the packaging, 10 out of 10. And last category I have texture, smooth finish, builds up really beautifully. Skin still glows, it's not matte, but it added slight color on my face, which I didn't have when I first started this video. Wonderful product for me with the dry skin for the winter months. For me, 10 out of 10. Would you buy it? Try it? Your thoughts down below. Thank you so much my sugar babes watching this video, and I was so excited to share this new product with you guys, and I will see you next time here on my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Mwah!